Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to put NGL link on Facebook story. So first of all, just need to download the NGL. Just need to go to Google Play Store and here at the search box at the top, type here NGL. And what we're going to do is just tap on the install button. Now once you've done installing the app, just need to tap on open. Now here on this app, as you can see, you just need to tap on the get started button. And you just need to enter your Instagram username. Now once you've done entering your username, you will go on this page. As you can see, you just need to copy your link and then you just have to tap on the share button right here to share link on your story. So when you tap on that, so next step, and then tap on share on Instagram. Now it will open up your Instagram story. As you can see, so what you're going to do is tap on the sticker icon at the top. And then right here, you just need to find the link button. So tap on that link right here. And then just need to paste your NGL link. Once you've done, tap on the done button here at the top right. Now once you move your NGL link at the middle part, you just need to tap on this arrow at the bottom right. And then here, as you can see at the bottom, your story. And as you can see, and Facebook story. So from here, you can actually share it also to your Facebook story. So if your Instagram and Facebook are connected to Meta, then you can actually share them automatically, both on Instagram and Facebook. So that's how you basically put NGL link on Facebook story. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.